You do anything to get some sleep, but your little passenger isn't making that easy. Up to 75% of pregnant women experience third trimester insomnia.
Now that you've reached month 9, you're probably ready to burst. By the end of week 36, your no longer little baby will weigh about 6 pounds and measure 20 inches or more in length. Expect weight to continue to increase, but your baby doesn't have room to get much longer. These days, your fetus is acting more like a baby, closing his or her eyes while asleep and opening them while awake. Your baby has also finally developed his or her very own immune system, a must for those upcoming days on the playground. And if your baby is a he, he'll reach an important milestone this month. His testicles should be dropping from abdomen to scrotum. Now that your baby's bodily systems are close to fully mature, he or she will focus on expansion, both in weight and in brain power. It's interesting that both the head that houses that brain and the bones that hold that weight are still quite soft. This is so your baby can push easily out of your birth canal. Thinking about that impending birth, not to mention dealing with heartburn, leg cramps, and a gigantic belly may be keeping you up at night. Third trimester insomnia is very common. Try to avoid exercise too close to bedtime. It can also help to enjoy a banana or glass of milk in the evening because both contain sleep-enhancing hormones. Remember in the beginning of your pregnancy when you couldn't stop going to the bathroom? You're probably experiencing the same need to urinate constantly once again. Because your baby's head is now pressing squarely against your bladder, this is very normal. One place you could use some extra moisture is your eyes, as they may suddenly become dry and uncomfortable. You can blame those pregnancy hormones for this irritation, which is due to a decrease in tear production. But take heart, the finish line is in sight, and soon you'll be holding that little boy or girl in your arms.
Want to learn more? Check out other videos and sources on this site for more information.